too. See, so hang on, let me turn this heat on. Okay, so got a pretty nice gap all the way down through there on the bottom. This up here looks pretty good. This right here needs to come down. I'm wondering if it's that drip rail. It's messed up. It's not too bad. Gap in here. Need to fix that. Got too much of it. Yeah, I cut too much. Well, here. I don't know if you can see that. It's off a little bit right in here, but not too bad. Up here looks decent, and down here looks good. So I think what I'm going to do, stick with the game plan and trace this and cut it. So let me do that. That Bondo, I don't know if you can see that or not, from about right there to right there, that much. Bet you it goes all the way back to. This should be pretty easy. If I can get all that Bondo out, I can hammer and dolly most of this out. Oh, well. Yeah, it doesn't look like, I don't know if you can see in there, you probably can't. Need to get some lights in here. We're definitely going to have to fix all of this crap. This is going to have to, I'm just going to cut this out. Weld a piece in there. I may cut this out. Definitely not tonight. You can see the gap that I got to weld. Woo! Half inch, buddy. What I'm talking about. Anyways, up here, I guess tonight I'll go ahead and get that other piece in here and get it tack welded in. Yeah, we're gonna have to grind more of that off. Do it tomorrow though. Another day. These are lining up pretty good. But let me get on this piece that goes in here, and then I'll come back. would be a good time to fix this. Okay, well I think I'm gonna weld this up. Oh, shoot, I don't know. I don't know if I should just weld it up. Maybe I'll cut this out tomorrow, weld a patch in there, and then I'll finish welding, because you see, it's pretty tight right there, and it doesn't line up. And this doesn't line up either. So yeah, maybe we're gonna have to fix this first. I just wonder how far this goes back. I have to cut the inside of the fender well out to dolly that. Hammer and dolly it. This is going to be pretty easy. I can just cut that out. But man, I don't know about... Yeah, the end of the inside of the fender well is right there. And by the way, this is why I have to shorten or narrow the axles. This side, I can barely fit my fingers in. The other side I can't fit my fingers in at all. So bigger, 1.5 inches on this side, 1.5 inches on the other side, 3 inches overall. Getting back to this, man. Let me think about it tonight how I'm going to do this. I definitely don't want to put that much Bondo in it again, and I don't have one of those zip pull it out, and I don't know anybody who has one. But as you see, that's the gist of it. Not too shabby. Little tweaking. I'm tweaking there. It'll be alright. That's going to do it for me tonight. You guys have some fun. I'll see you in the AM.